Here are 26 ways I use AI on a regular basis, and I've also included the recommended model or option for each one. So I'm going to break these down into 5 categories: productivity and organization, learning and skill development, career and business, personal finance, and everyday life and creative tasks. For many of these tasks, I'm not necessarily suggesting you blindly rely on the output of these AI services. At the very least, they can act as an excellent sanity check, but in certain cases, the results are truly noteworthy. So starting with productivity, the first thing I use AI for is summarizing content, whether it's a 3-hour podcast, a 50-page research paper, or meeting transcripts. I can get the key points in seconds. For this, I typically use Gemini 2.5 Pro or Notebook LM, which are both excellent at condensing information. Next up is email management. I know many of us don't really enjoy writing repetitive emails, especially those formal ones that need to strike just the right tone. ChatGPT 4.0 or 4.5 can draft professional emails, replies, and follow-ups in seconds. You just tell it the tone that you want, whether that's formal, friendly, assertive, and the outcome that you're after, and it will generate just that. For meetings, AI is starting to take hold. I use ChatGPT's recent record feature to transcribe meetings, identify who's speaking, and automatically generate summaries with actions, items, and key decisions. No more frantically taking notes while trying to participate. Here's something that's really powerful: structured brainstorming. Instead of just asking for ideas, I'll have ChatGPT 4.0 act as a devil's advocate or apply specific frameworks like SWOT analysis. It's like having a strategic consultant on demand. It's also very good for those who need pushback to test the strength of your ideas. For travel planning, I use Grok 4 or ChatGPT 03 or even deep research. I just tell it my destinations, interests, and budget, and it generates a complete day-by-day itinerary with routes, restaurant suggestions, even booking links. It's really a good way to speed up the planning process if that's not really your thing. And for task management, I often do sort of a complete brain dump, where you just stream any kind of thoughts that come to your mind, and ChatGPT's voice-to-text feature will organize it into a prioritized to-do list, breaking down big projects into manageable steps. Moving on to learning, AI has become my sort of personal tutor. ChatGPT 4.0 with their advanced voice mode, and even Gemini 2.5 for general learning can explain complex topics step by step, from quantum mechanics to historical events. The key is that you can ask follow-up questions until you truly understand it. For structured learning, I often use Grok 4 or ChatGPT 03 to create personalized study plans. Tell it what you want to learn, and it'll map out topics, recommend resources, and give you a logical learning order. Mock interviews are another brilliant use case. ChatGPT 4.0 can simulate job interviews for specific roles and give feedback on your answers. It's like having unlimited practice sessions. You can also use Gemini or Notebook LM to create complete plans on your study prep and then turn them into an audio format or even like a podcast to then consume on the go. For language learning, ChatGPT 4.0 becomes a conversational partner. You can have back and forth conversations where it corrects your grammar and suggests more natural phrasing. Much better than traditional apps. And if you want to learn a new skill like coding or digital marketing, Claude 4 can create complete roadmaps showing necessary steps, essential concepts, and portfolio projects. Now for career and business applications. Resume, CVs, or cover letter optimization is huge. Claude 4 and ChatGPT 03 can tailor your documents for specific job descriptions and also give you feedback on how you can better showcase your skills and qualifications. Content creation has also been revolutionized. ChatGPT 4.0 and tools like Reelmate, which is my own app that I use to create these scripts, can help reduce the friction in making digital content for your business or side project. Document analysis is something that I use quite regularly. ChatGPT 03 can extract key information from legal contracts, financial reports, or research papers, so you don't have to read them cover to cover. For presentations, Claude 4 can take an outline or a block of text and generate a complete slide deck with titles, bullet points, and visual suggestions. You can also hook into various MCP servers for added functionality. Here's where it gets really interesting: coding tasks. Claude 4 with Claude Code lets you delegate coding directly from your terminal. It can debug, write functions, refactor code, or build entire applications with real-time assistance. And for proof of concept designs, Claude 4 with Claude Code again is perfect for rapidly prototyping applications, testing ideas, or generating MVPs before full development. For personal finance, AI has been incredibly helpful. Grok 4 and ChatGPT 03 can create detailed budgets based on your income, expenses, and goals, showing exactly where you can save. Financial planning scenarios are really powerful also. Ask questions like, how can I save for a house or a mortgage in 3 to 5 years, and get actionable strategies from Grok 4 or ChatGPT 03. For investment tracking, Grok 4 can analyze the markets and hook into various databases to give you up-to-date recommendations on what to invest in. Another thing is product recommendations when you need to buy something and you're not quite sure what is the best option. This could be anything from a grocery product to a larger expense like a car. You can input your criteria and have it generate a list of researched options showing the pros and cons of each one. Grok 4, ChatGPT 03, or one of the deep research options is what I'd recommend here. Finally, for everyday life and creative tasks, meal planning is something that many of us find important and efficient. Tell Grok 4 or ChatGPT 03 what's in your fridge, and it'll suggest recipes with full instructions and shopping lists for missing items, or if you have a particular thing in mind. Another example is fitness planning. You can describe your goals and have Grok 4 or ChatGPT 03 create a workout plan that is sustainable and optimized for you. Next, we have image generation and editing, and I use ChatGPT 4.0 or ImageGen 4 from Google, and that allows you to create custom visuals from text descriptions or even edit photos by removing objects and changing backgrounds. You can also take this further by then passing these images into Google's Veo 3 to make a high-end AI generated video. For DIY help, ChatGPT 03 is excellent. Take a picture of a broken appliance or leaking pipe and get step-by-step repair instructions. And for gift ideas, describe the person, your relationship, and budget to Grok 4 or ChatGPT 03 and get very thoughtful and creative suggestions. So those are 26 ways I'm using AI most often. The key is to start playing around with these tools, and over time you'll think of more use cases and ways to save you time. I'd love to know though, what are the main ways that you personally use AI? Let me know in the comment section below. I tend to get around to reading and replying to most of them. And if you found this video helpful or useful, I'd really appreciate if you could like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.